Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the 5 best tips and tricks to fix weather widget not working on iPhone. The weather widget on iPhone is a pretty convenient way to check real-time conditions at a glance, but it can sometimes stop updating or display incorrect information. So if your weather widget isn't working properly on your iPhone, there are some pretty handy fixes you can try to get it back on track. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first and foremost, I would recommend you to check the location services on your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that the weather app heavily relies on the location to provide accurate updates. If location access is disabled, the widget may fail to load data. So head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose privacy and security option. Then you have to select location services option. After that, you have to ensure that location services is enabled. Then you have to scroll down to find the weather app and select always or while using the apps or widgets. This ensures that the widget can fetch the location weather in real time. Then I would recommend you to enable the background app refresh on your iOS device. Note that if background app refresh is disabled, the widget may not update automatically. So head over to the settings app on your iPhone and then you have to choose the general option. After that, you have to choose the background app refresh option. Then enable it globally or specifically for the weather app. This allows the app to refresh data even when you are not actively using it. After that, I will recommend you to remove and re-add the weather widget. Note that sometimes widgets glitch due to minor system bugs. Therefore, re-adding the widget often fixes this annoying problem. Simply long press the weather widget and then choose remove widget option in the menu. Then you have to long press on the home screen and then hit the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. Then you have to choose add widget option in the menu. Then you have to scroll down to find the weather widget option and add it again. This refreshes the widget's connection with the app. It's worth pointing out that if you're using a third-party weather widget, try updating it via the App Store. Just open the App Store and then you have to hit your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to find the weather app and hit the update button located right next to it. Then I would recommend you to restart your iPhone. It's also important to point out that a simple restart is pretty helpful in fixing miscellaneous issues. Therefore, it deserves to be given a try as well. Simply press and hold the power button and the volume button at once. Then you have to slide to power off your device and after waiting for a few seconds, press and hold the power button to reboot your device. This clears minor system glitches that may be blocking updates. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the weather widget from functioning properly. So head over to the settings app on your iPhone and then choose general. After that, you have to choose the software update option and then you have to download and install any available updates. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures better compatibility and smoother widget performance, and that's pretty much it. Most weather widget issues are caused by permissions, background restrictions, or minor bugs. By checking these settings and refreshing the widget, you can quickly restore accurate weather updates on your iPhone. However, if the issue still persists, signing out and back into your Apple ID or resetting location settings can also help you resolve the problem. Now that you have unlocked these pretty helpful solutions, make the most of them in order to ensure that the weather widget always delivers the best for you. And I'll catch you up in the next one.